guys, we're gonna show you introducing BlackBerry Key2 full specification and review. In this video more information are available. So guys, we're gonna start this video. Firstly, we'll talk about platform, processor, GPU and RAM in this video, in this section. So firstly, Android Audio 8.1 is used by BlackBerry Key2. This and CPU is octa-core 6.64-bit processor with gold gold plates. This is main part of this mobile Snapdragon 660, because most of set use new Snapdragon 835 chipset. So BlackBerry new ideas with Snapdragon 630 by Adreno 08 merge this. तो benchmarking इसकी 835 स्नैपड्रैगन से भी ऊपर निकल जाती है 3D ग्रीक बेंचमार्किंग में. ये चिपसेट जो है 835 से बेहतर है अगर इसके साथ एंड्रीनो 530 ऐड हो जाए. सो चेक दिस एंड्रीनो and RAM are 6 GB LPDDR3 very high, and this are and back are 12 megapixel camera with dual camera. Secondly is not yet be available, and front are 8 megapixel with very high features, and enhanced profile is very sad. BlackBerry introducing new features, so snap and save photo logs, and third are battery design and sensor price. Start this. An iconic design by diamond grip for bag, not slip in the hand. This I love this feature by BlackBerry new, and Gorilla Glassing displays, and side alloy frame with corning edge. BlackBerry keyboard. This key is 20% larger than other BlackBerry sets, and speed key for I for Instagram, G for Google, F for Facebook is used by BlackBerry. I love this feature. And fingerprint sensor for this bar is the fingerprint scanner, and accelerometer, gyroscope, proximate and compass are this sensor. Battery 3500 milliampere, and price yet भी ठीक ही है, इतनी महंगी तो नहीं है, फ़ोन भी अच्छा ही है. Like this video, subscribe and on this bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. So guys, meet at next video.